everyone, welcome to Virtual Nisei Week Day 2. Today we're going to be at Azay in Little Tokyo, checking out what Chef Akira has cooking up today. Let's go. So hi Chef, thanks for having us here today. Why don't you go ahead and introduce yourself and your restaurant.
Alright, my name is Chef Akira Hirose. I'm a chef co-owner of Azay Restaurant in Little Tokyo. We opened last year, middle of the September. Here we're doing the French and Japanese cuisine.
Thank you, and obviously this video is for Nisei Week. Why is Nisei Week important to you?
Nisei Week is, I believe, this year the 80th anniversary. It always happens at Little Tokyo. It's a heart of Japanese and Japanese American location. It's very important. Every year we do Nisei Week.
And then you have something special for us today. What are we going to be cooking?
One of our special dessert, Matcha Creme Brulee.
Yummy, let's get started.
All right.
So what ingredients do we need?
For Matcha Creme Brulee, of course, matcha powder, 1 tablespoon, 100 gram granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of the whole milk, 4 egg yolk, 2 cup heavy cream. First, egg yolk in the bowl, and the sugar. As soon as you put the sugar, you start to mixing well, becoming like a kind of little bit white. Mix well with the matcha powder. Then milk. Next, cream, maybe in 2 times. 1 time, mix well. Another one. Okay, this is a mixture for the matcha creme brulee. And now, I'm gonna transfer. I have already prepared. It's a 4 cup aluminum, and then we pour it. Oops, gosh. All the way to the top. Of course, before you finish this one, your oven should be ready with 250 degrees. 250 degrees. Then I put a little bit water here. Hara. Ready to go to oven. Okay. This is cool down at least 6 to 8 hours in the refrigerator. After you cool down in the outside, keep in the refrigerator after for 6-8 hours. It's very cold cream. And the raw sugar. You put the raw sugar here, a little bit here, and then torch. Caramelize. Very hot. So then, voila. If you don't have a torch, you can use always toaster oven. I don't have a toaster oven, but almost similar toaster oven. It's salamander. Like this. Then go to up. Just for the caramelize on top. You don't keep a long time, otherwise cream going to melt. Then it's very hot, so really careful. Quick move. Then we have some fruits. I can put a little bit fruits. Strawberry. Like this. Up. Voilà. Okay.
Taste test. The sugar is all nice and crunchy. Where did you learn how to make creme brulee?
Creme brulee I learned in France, but later on I added the matcha powder. Yeah, so yes. Yep.
So thank you for being part of our virtual Nisei Week series. We had so much fun being here today. Hopefully all you viewers can stop by and check out Chef Hirose's menu at Azay in Little Tokyo.
Thank you.